Good morning, it's Tuesday the 2nd of December and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight, the Dow Jones fell 51.44 points to 17,776.8. The S&P 500 lost 14.12 points to 2053.44, and the Nasdaq dropped 64.28 points to 47.27.35. US retailers lost after a disappointing Thanksgiving weekend. However, yesterday it was Apple that was the biggest drag on the S&P 500, trading down 6% at one point to end the day 3.2% off. Growth in the US manufacturing sector also slowed for a third straight month in November. FX, the Aussie dollar gained 0.2% to 85.07, bouncing off Monday's four-year low of 84.17 after Monday's soft Chinese manufacturing data. Against the yen, the dollar held steady at 118.44. The dollar had hit a 7-year peak of 119.15 after Moody's cut Japan's sovereign rating yesterday morning. The euro held steady at 124.65 ahead of Thursday's ECB meeting. Excessively low inflation still grips the Eurozone, but some analysts do expect more dovish comments from Draghi himself. Commodities, Brent crude fell as low as 67.53 a barrel, its lowest since October 2009. This is before reversing course to settle at 72.54, up $2.39. US crude rose 2.85 to close at $69. These movements and this volatility is still predominantly due to OPEC's Thursday decision not to cut outputs. In the precious metals space, spot gold was up 4.2% to 1216.34. UK equities now. UK insurance giant Aviva has just now agreed to buy pensions company Friends Life for 5.6 billion, in a deal that will create the UK's largest insurance, savings and asset management firm. What's happening today? It's trading at 1.32% at 506.39. Tesco has announced new management structure that will see new group chief executive Dave Lewis take over the day-to-day leadership of its main UK operation. This, of course, will be on a temporary basis. Trading at 0.45% today at 184.95. Data throughout the course of the day, we've got GBP, over in the UK actually, construction PMI data at 9:30. At 1:10 we have the FOMC member Fisher speaking. At 1:30 we have Fed Chair, of course, Janet Yellen speaking. Today at the open we have the DAX at 99.56, the FTSE at 66.54 and the CAC at 43.81.